Alright, so what we're looking at here is a Saturday morning impromptu project. We've got 3 monitors. We've got our new work laptop, and we want to be able to switch between the two. So we got a KVM set up, super nice little button, super cheap little thing. It's just super. But I've not been able to get my monitor to display the correct the resolution, and I think it's because I was using this cheap little adapter to go from USB to DVI, or DisplayPort rather, and we're gonna fix that. We gotta tidy up some cables. Here's a before shot. Yikers. This is not pretty. We got this old DVI from where we upgraded our graphics card just hanging out. We need to tidy this bad boy up. Now we can see why I've been putting this off. This ain't going through unless all of the